everybody, this is us on Xbox 360, Black Ops 2, and we will be playing this and making YouTube videos and all kinds of crap. Please send me friend requests whenever you want to. I would be very happy. And I repeat, please send me a friend request if you couldn't hear me the first time. But yeah, I was really asking for some friends because that could help make YouTube videos instead of the ones that live right by me. So today we're going to be doing the most random kills. There's this one kill that I had on Search and Destroy. I turned around and the guy was frozen. I shot him and got last kill. So I'm sorry I couldn't actually do this. It sounds like I'm making this stuff up because I'm not doing them. But if I had clips of it, I would actually show you. And soon I'm going to be making different videos like TroArk. You know, to make games. Well, one's called TroArk. I thought it was called TroArk, but the other YouTube channel that me and my friends were on a long time ago was called TroArk. And I did not own the YouTube video. I just was in the YouTube videos, which is really exciting. So, you know, this is just a test and part one of this thing. We will be having more than one part. So, yeah, guys, just message me back after this video.
Whoa!
And I'd really like to tell some friends. My mic broke, but I'd really like to tell some friends about this. So, yeah, but, see